Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming bond type because removal technique changes with adhesive. Once identified, section hair into 3 or 4 portions and clip away excess. This prevents tangles and keeps focus. Apply a small amount of chemical bond remover or use heat if dealing with keratin, only where bond contact exists. Use a fine-tooth comb to gently loosen the bond while supporting hair with your free hand. Move methodically. Start at the outer sections, so you refine technique. Once bonds are softened, you work one bond at a time to avoid pulling. Apply remover directly to the adhesive and wait the recommended 2 to 5 minutes so the product weakens glue without damaging cuticle. For micro rings, use pliers to open then roll the ring down. For tape, gently peel while supporting hair. Use the fine comb to remove residue and any loose keratin particles. Make sure to pause and assess hair integrity. If you see matting, stop and reapply product. You finish by thoroughly cleansing the scalp and strands with a clarifying shampoo to remove leftover adhesive, then follow with a deep conditioner to restore moisture and elasticity. Once dry, trim any damaged ends to prevent future breakage and style normally. If a bond refuses to release, do not force it. Reapply remover, wait longer, or consult a professional to avoid hair loss. Keep one key tip in mind. Patience prevents damage. Slow, controlled steps beat rushing every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.